Hi friends, this is 5 minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can change call background in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First, know what is call background. If you receive any call, some background will be appearing along with your call. See here, I will receive a call now, and see, this is the background, this green color, and this interface is the just background of call. Okay, if you want to change this background to some other one, then you can do it. For that, first go to this call button and click on these three vertical dots, click on settings and click on call background, and this is the already available call background, and that you saw now. And if you want to change background, click on background here, and you can select from the available options, or also you can add your own background. Here I select this one, and this will be the background now. Okay, click on set as call background. Okay, now see what is changed. Okay, I make a call from another phone, and see the call background change. See here, call background is completely changed. So what I have selected, that are showing as a call background here. Okay, suppose if you want to use your own call background, again go to call button here and click on these three vertical dots and click on settings here, click on call background and click on background and use this plus symbol. You can add your own background. Here I would like to add this is as background. Okay, click on set as call background, and see, by calling from another phone, I make a call from another phone, and now I will show how it works. See here, what I selected there, that's showing as a call background. So in this way you can easily customize call background as per your wish in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.